stay Coorg from first flight. English subject English, first flight, and the chapter name is Coorg. And some extra question I gave to you in previous video. In this video, some more questions. Then mention the period of joy in Coorg. The period of joy in Coorg is from September to March. It starts from September and continues up to March. Why this period from September to March is called a period of joy, the season of joy? Because during this period from September to March, the weather remains perfect. The weather remains perfect, and there is a little sour. There is the fragrance of coffee in the atmosphere, and the tree canopies appear very beautiful. Canopies are the roof-like structure created by the branches of the tree, of different trees when they come together. Under those canopies, in prime corners, the colonial bungalows appear very beautiful. This is why this period is called. This season is called season of joy. What is the story that relate the Coorgi people with the Greek people? The story is that a part of Alexander's army moved towards the south along the coast. They settled there when return became impractical. They established marital relation with the locals. Their language, their culture, their rites and rituals, their religion, all these things, their marriage, all these things are different from the Hindu mainstream. On the basis of this story, they are called to be of Greek origin. And mention the story that tells that the Coorgi people are of Arabic origin. Coorgi people are of Arabic origin. It is said on the basis of a kind of clothing the Coorgi people put on, and this clothing is called kupiya, and same clothing is known as kufiya by the Arabs. They call the same clothing kupiya. What is kupiya or kufiya? Kupiya is a long black coat. It has an embroidered waist belt, and on the basis of this cloth, the Coorgi people are related with the Arabs. And what is kupiya? Kupiya, another question you can have. Kupiya is a long black coat worn by the Kodaus or Coorgi people. It has an embroidered waist belt. It resembles kufiya worn by the Kurds and Arabs. This is this much in this video. इसके आंसर्स के हिंट्स आपको मिल सकते हैं. आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में आप देख सकते हैं. थैंक यू.